Welcome to an overview of Marketeer, the most recent premium theme from Foundry. In this video, we'll take a look at how to really customize the Marketeer theme to fit whatever your website needs. In the main admin dashboard, there's the Appearance tab. Go ahead and click on that and you'll see that Marketeer is the active theme right now. Let's head down to Widgets. And this is where you're going to be able to control the sidebar and the footer as well. I've already added 3 widgets, recent comments, archives, and search in the sidebar, and then also some widgets in the footbar. So let's take a look at those in action. Here we see the recent comments, the archives, and the search. And down in our footer we see recent posts, categories, calendar, and search. We do recommend that only 4 widgets go in the footer, as the design works best that way. In the sidebar, it doesn't really matter how many widgets you put in, as long as you're happy with the layout. From the menus page, we can determine what is going to show up in our navigation. Over here on the right side, you'll see that we added main menu as our menu name, and I've also put in a bunch of different pages to kind of fill up our navigation bar. To give you a look at how easy it is to move these around, all you do is click and drag. You'll notice that a dotted line pops up, and if it's inside, it'll actually be underneath in a drop-down menu. So let's take a look at our menu now. Save it, refresh your page, and now blog should be under About, and there it is. You can adjust your menu to make it look however you want, as long as in the end it looks right to you. Marketeer also allows you to add analytics quite easily. From the analytics section, all you have to do is check yes for enable analytics and then put in your tracking code. Make sure you have the script tags at the top and bottom, or else your script will not work properly. When you look at the main page of your website using the Marketeer theme, you'll see that there is a texture here in the main content background. That is adjustable in the background section of the theme options. There are 10 set textures to choose from, but you can also choose your own by clicking I'll use my own and uploading whatever texture you desire. We'll stick with just fabric for now. Save settings. Refresh your page. And fabric is now the textured background. When you first start using Marketeer, you'll notice that it is a blue color scheme. Once again, inside theme options, we can change that by clicking on color schemes. That'll bring up the 6 different options, and let's go ahead and choose black. Save settings. Refresh your page, and there we go. This is an option that's good to start with. That way you can adjust colors on different theme options later on. Another option for the Marketeer theme is the fonts option. Here in Appearance for fonts, we can see that we can adjust the base font size, body font, headings font, and menu font. We'll change the body font to Merriweather, and we'll also change the menu font to Times New Roman. Let's save settings and take a look. Refresh the page. Here we can see that yes, everything has adjusted the way we wanted it to. Times New Roman is the new menu font, and Merriweather is the new body font. Another important theme option for Marketeer is the social icons option. This is where you're going to determine which of the social media icons are going to appear in the top right of your website. The default are these 4 right here, the square ones with rounded edges. We're going to change it to the circular icons. Now down here you have the option to show the icon, put in the URL, and also decide if you would rather use a custom icon. For this example, we're just going to use the stock set I just selected, and we're not going to show any of them right away. I've already put in the URLs for the pages that I want to link to. So let's save settings. And over here on the right, you can see that there are no icons listed so far. So we'll go back, we'll say yes for RSS feed, yes for Facebook, and yes for Twitter. Save settings, refresh the page. Now we can see that those 3 options that we just selected will show up on our home page. The final option we're going to look at is the custom styles option that comes with Marketeer. This option allows you to add CSS and override the existing CSS that comes with Marketeer. So just for an example, I put in body font size 40 pixels. This is going to make all of the font inside our page very large, but it's going to prove the point. We'll use custom style sheets, switch that to yes, save settings, then hop over to our main page. And yes, that is definitely too big for our page. So we can go back, select no, save settings, and everything reverts back to the standard CSS that comes with Marketeer. But that gives you a quick look at how you can override the CSS without having to dive into style.css in the editor down at the bottom of appearance. So that was a quick look at Marketeer and the different theme options that it has once installed. For more information on the theme, including landing pages, check out our other videos.